Ooh. You've got my shirt, don't you? I'm not going. I'm Ellie. I'll stay here. Oh. No. Oh. Tell me more about your doves that came to visit you. Did they go? Okay, tell me more about the angels you saw in the lights. What? Were they exciting? Interesting. Oh. You have such a beautiful voice. Such a beautiful voice. Oh. I love hearing your voice. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh. Oh, spitting. Here's our little cloth. Here we go. Good girl. Oh, yikes. Sneezing and grossness. Are you filming this? Did you get the snot rocket launch? 3, 2, 1. Woo! That was exciting. Yeah. Wait, you lost your hold. No, all done with the shirt. Oh. Ow.